So guys, I just want to do a quick walk around of the awesome LEDs on the new 2021 Acura TLX. Just show you guys how beautiful they really are. So you have the LED headlights, and you have the LED running lamps, and you have those nice LED blinkers that are in the very bottom, which I like. Most of the time they're on the top. And you got the LED turn signals here in the mirrors, look really sharp. I like the rear a lot. I like how they use a thin line for the LED that runs along the bottom of the lights. I do like that a lot. I think it looks clean. And then you also got the factory LED turn signal in the rear as well. I'm always so used to having to change those out. So now they're factory LED, instant on, instant off, which is clean. I mean, you'd expect it from a car when you spend this much money for it. So that's always nice. They did a good job with the lighting on this car, I feel like. Like I said, I like how the turn signals are on the bottom. Most cars, they put them on the top here. So it's a real clean look. Really flows. Like I said, they do like the nice tube LED, nice thin line throughout this car, so it flows really well. Let me show you the inside here. Show you what you get as far as the LED lighting goes. Okay, so let me turn it on a little bit. I'll show you. So as you guys know, it has the ambient light kit. Real nice design here. I actually personally like how they did the analog gauges instead of digital. I do like that. And of course you get the tube LEDs on the center and on the door, the two front doors. Comes factory with the white LEDs, map lights, which is nice, of course. That's always been a thing I had to change very first thing. Really nice setup. I like how they designed it. Looks really clean. Like I said, I like it how it has the aluminum gauges with the red to contrast, you know, in the A-spec, the red stitching and all that kind of stuff. Looks really nice. I personally like the analog gauges. I like to see an actual tactile, you know, speedometer. I like that. I'm not really fond of the digital right now. So a really clean look. Like I said, almost everything is LED. The only thing I found, as you guys seen before, was the trunk light was incandescent, which I have no idea why they went that route. It went cheap there, but that's an easy thing to switch. So nothing exciting, just wanted to share with you the beautiful LED lights on the 2021-2022 Acura TLX. Did a great job on it. Has a very high-end, clean look. Okay? I appreciate all your guys' support, I really do. Have another video coming up shortly. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.